This is one of the most powerful phones for gaming under 23,000, and with its promising specs, the Realme 13 Plus is making waves in the budget segment, especially amongst mobile gamers. But is it all about gaming, or does it deliver in other areas as well? Let's find out.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe.
You can see the specs on your screen now, and the hardware looks promising for the price. But let's see how it performs in real-world usage. First, let's talk about the build and design. The Realme 13 Plus 5G has a somewhat divisive look. Some find it premium, others find it gaudy. The Victory Gold variant in particular may not be everyone's cup of tea, but it does have some redeeming qualities like the matte fingerprint-resistant finish and a comfortable in-hand feel. However, the buttons feel a bit mushy and the design is far from Realme's best work. So this phone also has an IP65 rating and even a 3.5mm audio jack, which is something that's becoming quite rare these days. Moving on to the display, the Realme 13 Plus 5G comes with a 6.67-inch OLED screen featuring Full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It supports HDR10 Plus and boasts an impressive peak brightness of 2000 nits, making it easy to use even in bright sunlight. During our testing, we recorded a brightness level of 1128 nits in auto brightness mode. The display also includes a rainwater smart touch feature, which ensures it functions even when it is wet. The colors and sharpness are excellent for the price. However, we did encounter an issue with Netflix not booting up, which hopefully Realme should address pretty soon. And this is also a minor drawback for an otherwise great display. Now, let's talk performance and gaming. The Realme 13 Plus 5G is powered by the Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset. The chip is paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, making it quite the powerhouse in this price segment. In our testing, the phone's performance is impressive, especially when it comes to gaming. The Realme 13 Plus 5G supports 90 FPS gaming on popular titles like BGMI. The frame rates while gaming are stable, and the phone doesn't break a sweat even during long gaming sessions thanks to the massive stainless steel vapor cooling chamber system. We also ran several benchmarks to test its capabilities. In Antutu, it scored over 7.3 lakhs, which is quite impressive for a mid-range device. It also performed exceptionally well in GPU benchmarks, outperforming competitors like the Motorola H50 Fusion and the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. However, the iQOO Z9 does have a slight edge with its superior GPU power. The Realme 13 Plus 5G also doesn't throttle extensively under high loads. In the CPU throttling test, the phone throttled to merely 81% of its peak performance after 15 minutes. Additionally, the GT mode is fantastic for gamers. But it's not all perfect. The Realme 13 Plus 5G does come with a significant amount of bloatware, including hot apps, hot games, and third-party apps like ReelShot, Spotify, and more. Overall though, if you're looking for a phone that delivers great performance, especially for gaming, the Realme 13 Plus 5G won't disappoint. Bloatware you can uninstall. Now on to the cameras. The Realme 13 Plus 5G has a 50 megapixel primary camera that performs well in daylight, capturing solid photos with good dynamic range and color accuracy. Close-up photos have a good natural bokeh, and portrait photos have great skin tones but average edge detection. However, the lack of an ultra-wide lens and the inclusion of a pretty useless 2MP secondary camera are disappointing. The selfie camera also leaves a lot to be desired, especially in challenging lighting conditions. So battery life on this phone is actually quite impressive. The 5000 mAh battery provides 6 to 7 hours of screen on time with medium to heavy usage, and even with intensive gaming, it holds up pretty well. Playing Call of Duty Mobile for half an hour only dropped the battery percentage by 6%, which is pretty impressive. Plus, with 80-watt fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100 in just 47 minutes. So what's the verdict? The Realme 13 Plus 5G is a solid option for gamers on a budget. It is one of the fastest phones we've tested at this price, and it has a great display and impressive battery life. However, the design isn't the best and the bloatware is excessive. Also, the lack of an ultra-wide camera is a letdown. So at 23,000 rupees, it's a strong contender, but it faces stiff competition from the likes of the iQOO Z9. If it were priced just a bit lower, under 20,000, it would have been a no-brainer. But if you're looking for a well-rounded gaming phone with decent camera performance and good battery life, this could be the one for you. So that's it for our review. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. High loads.
Desi.
Yeah. What?
The Realme Dabba is ulta.